The 2025 Porsche Carrera represents a perfect fusion of heritage, innovation, and exhilarating performance, staying true to its legendary sports car roots while embracing cutting-edge advancements. Built on decades of Porsche engineering mastery, the new Carrera is designed to captivate both purists and modern drivers, seeking a blend of everyday usability and track-ready performance. Its silhouette retains the unmistakable 911 lineage, with smooth curves, muscular haunches, and a low, aggressive stance. Every line is meticulously sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency, giving the car not only a stunning appearance but also enhanced stability at high speeds. Under the rear deck lid lies the heart of the 2025 Carrera, a refined 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine that delivers an impressive 400 horsepower. This power plant has been tuned for sharper throttle response and more linear power delivery, offering a thrilling driving experience whether cruising down city streets or pushing limits on the open road. Mated to an 8-speed PDK dual clutch transmission, the Carrera shifts with lightning precision, while an optional 7-speed manual gearbox caters to enthusiasts who crave a more hands-on connection with the car. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour is achieved in just 3.8 seconds, and top speed reaches a staggering 190 miles per hour, ensuring the 2025 Carrera remains a serious contender in the performance arena. Inside, the 2025 Porsche Carrera blends luxury with functionality. The driver-focused cockpit is adorned with premium materials like leather, brushed aluminum, and optional carbon fiber accents. A new 12.3-inch curved digital display dominates the dashboard, providing customizable performance data and infotainment controls, while retaining a classic analog tachometer as a nod to tradition. The seats are sculpted for comfort and support, making long drives just as enjoyable as spirited weekend runs. Porsche's latest infotainment system integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded voice assistant, ensuring convenience and connectivity without distraction. Handling has always been the Carrera's hallmark, and the 2025 model raises the bar. Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM) comes standard, adjusting damping force in real time for optimal balance between comfort and precision. The steering remains sharp and communicative, offering the kind of feedback that drivers crave, while rear-wheel steering is available to enhance agility in tight corners and stability at high speeds. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system provide modern safety without diluting the pure driving experience. Visually, buyers can choose from a range of vibrant, new colors, including an exclusive shade called Arctic Flame, which changes tone under different lighting conditions. Lightweight alloy wheels with aerodynamic designs not only look aggressive, but also improve brake cooling and reduce drag. The 2025 Porsche Carrera continues to be more than just a sports car. It's a statement of precision engineering, timeless design, and driver passion. Whether enjoyed on winding mountain passes, racetracks, or during a daily commute, it offers a unique blend of excitement and refinement that few rivals can match. For enthusiasts and newcomers alike, the Carrera remains the gold standard of what a true performance car should be.